If you use the internet, you've seen ads. Now, have you ever stopped to think about how that ad got to you? How did that advertiser know to serve you that message on that web page in that exact moment in time? Hi, my name is Ben. I've worked in digital advertising for nearly a decade. I spent years working at small mom and pop shops, at large New York ad agencies, as well as exchanges on the tech side. Throughout this course, what I'm going to do is explain the entire digital advertising ecosystem. I'm going to go over brands, exchanges, tech, agencies, how they buy, what different ad units they use, how things are priced, and how they finally deliver a message to you. We're going to cover a couple of things that you might know about, such as a brand like Jeep or Coca-Cola, how they work with an agency, such as McCann, that you might know about if you watch the show Mad Men, how McCann works with different exchanges or networks, how these networks then work with each other to buy and sell media, and then finally, how these networks and exchanges deliver a message to you, the consumer. Throughout the course, I'm going to go over a number of different PowerPoints and in-person presentations. By the end of the course, you should have a full-fledged understanding of the entire digital advertising ecosystem. This is a great course if you're an entrepreneur looking to expand your business through an agency, if you are looking to advertise your existing business through online advertising, if you're looking at getting a job in the ad space, or simply interested in the advertising ecosystem. At the end of the course, I'll do a quick recap, as well as provide you some information about publications you can read to help keep on top of industry trends and changes. Hope you enjoy the course, and let's get started.
Before we jump into the course, we need to go over a few basics. First of all, we're here to talk about digital advertising and marketing. So, what is advertising? Well, the actual definition of advertising is the activity or profession of producing advertisements for commercial products or services. What does that actually mean, and how can we illustrate it? In a nutshell, we're not here to talk about press. We're not here to talk about your friends tweeting about a product or posting a picture of a Coca-Cola on Facebook. We're here to talk about what are brands actually doing, what are they creating, and how are they getting their message in front of people. We'll quickly illustrate this on Huffington Post. Here we are in the Huffington Post business section. Under the business section, you'll assume that you're going to see a lot of articles about businesses, which is correct. Here we see one about Pinterest. We might see one about Zappos. You might say, well, those are promoting businesses under the business section. Is that an ad? No, we're not here to talk about those. Those are more of press articles. What we are here to talk about are things like this GMC ad that you see on the right-hand side. Very large ad unit made by a professional brand targeted to a particular user. There's also ads on the left-hand side under suggested links. Those are what we're going to cover in this course. Now that we've gone over the basics, we can get ready to go into the course.